Man, I can't believe we put Fliss in danger.
That was all your decisions.
It sure was. We put Fliss in danger.
That's right. That's right. I didn't get a single decision that time.
Following them.
Nuts.
Get ahead of them. Let's hope it's faster.
What a well-animated rat.
I got this.
Wait, right?
Yeah.
Oh, we're separated. All right, bye.
Bye.
Wobbly's Fliss. Oh gosh. Why is there a light here? How do the lights still work in this stupid thing? Am I walking into a pole? I miss Brad.
What was that? You heard that?
Maybe we can iceberg.
Not funny.
I'm glad we have a bunch of idiots who don't know anything about ships. This is gonna go swimmingly. I don't wanna... God, if they fucking shove a ghost in my face again and it's actually wobbly...
This place.
I'm telling you.
I'm gonna be mad. So don't stab unless it's a pirate. Or maybe a pirate ghost. Where... Come on, where are they? How do I... Am I stuck? Come on. There we go. It's kind of hard to tell where to go sometimes.
We've been here before.
I don't think so.
I swear we've been here before, Alex. Have you been leading us in circles?
What the fuck are you talking
Come
about?
on, guys. We gotta keep moving.
We have not been here, Julia. You're dumb as hell. Ooh, delicious.
Soup du jour, mademoiselle?
As if you know your way around a kitchen.
Please, relax.
God, she sucks so
Messing
bad.
around.
Is Conrad or Julia worse? Because they're both pretty bad. Oh god, is this gonna be another jump scare? I'm not looking at it.
Jesus.
Ooh.
God.
Alex? What is it?
Take a look.
Ugh. See for yourself.
Ugh.
Cool, cool. Some meat bits. Beer casserole.
Hey! According to this, today's beef casserole.
Oh, beef.
It's as if everything just ground to a halt on this one day.
I prefer beer
The whole
casserole.
ship just stopped functioning.
God, I hope I don't have to remember that shit. Puzzle. What was the lunch of the day on Wednesday?
Alright, what is this place?
I'm thinking we gotta go through here. What was that?
What?
I didn't hear anything.
Maybe you should get your ears examined, bud.
I heard something. Ah, the Death Notebook. We've been at sea long, and I'm sick of the damn food already. The wait time was a joke. Kill something fresh. Every one of the newspapers was talking about the massacre in Philly. Sure could use a beer. Some of that beer casserole. No, not for you, Miss Bat. You're too young. Oh, there's a big table in the way or something that's hard to see. Oh, there's something. Is that another premonition? A deadly premonition? Hmm? Yeah. I don't know what the different colors mean. No! Don't kill Brad! He's the best. Hey, Morgan, how you doing?
Wait. This isn't right.
What's wrong, Julia?
What? What?
There's something in here with us. Didn't you? I mean, did you hear anything?
All right, well, we should keep moving.
I know I saw something. It was moving in the shadows.
Rats. Probably just rats. That's all it was.
Don't fucking laugh at me. All right, we've been here before. I'm sure of it. We're going around in circles.
The fuck are you
What do you want
talking
to do?
about?
Turn around?
We've seen all this before.
Cool it, Jay. We don't have a lot of options. It's gotta be this way.
Okay, no. This isn't working for me.
What?
Yeah, we haven't been here for
Gross
for-
caskets and crappy chapels. Not my scene, you know?
You're right. It's gross and it's crappy. Gotta get out of here toot sweet.
And we gotta find Fliss.
Okay, so can we just get the fuck out then?
Toot sweet? What does that
What
mean?
is this?
Very fast? Pronto?
Hey, we got a name on this guy.
What are they even doing here? I don't think stuck on a ghost ship for all eternity sounds like a
Brian
good plan, eh?
Carter.
Who cares where they're from or where they're going? They're dead and we're not, so let's keep it that way.
What if they're not? No, no, don't open it, you dumbass! Are there two in there?
Look at this. It's insane. Is it even human? I mean, was it ever human?
What's the deal with this place?
That is some bad mojo, dude.
Okay, leave. Now! Leave, leave, leave!
Miss Bat, chill.
Got some serious locks in these caskets.
Why just this one?
Why would they be chained and locked?
Well, that's one way to end a relationship.
I'm sorry about all the
Look
problems.
at this one. Like for a kid or something.
I don't want to know.
Oh god.
Let's get out of here.
The kid from the start.
Yes! Maybe that's little baby
Oh
Dracula.
my god, Conrad.
Right there, and those are his parents, and they're lying in the dirt from their native country.
And then they all jump on Conrad and eat off his face.
That's right,
The end.
that's right.
What's the matter?
Hi, Rat. What the fuck?
What is it?
Look!
What?
Seriously? Are you trying to freak me out?
Huh?
Can we just get out of here?
Fuck off, fuck off. That was a head. That was a head.
Can we please hurry? I'm done sightseeing.
Roger that.
We gotta get Fliss. No time to lose.
Oh, this, we got a red spooky corridor.
What the hell is making that sound?
What's that?
Whoa. Why so spick and span?
Is that just someone dead there? Yep.
Fuck!
Hey, this is no time to be fucking around. I'm serious. I can't take it.
Don't do it. Why am I doing it?
Oh, what the fuck?
Don't touch it! Why did you touch it?
Yeah, that was pretty dumb. I could tell Wobbly I touched a corpse.
Any medicine we find in here? Conrad, take a couple of these. Hey, where do you go?
Looking for a second opinion?
Who's Conrad? I never had a brother. Stop zooming in on the dead guy. Oh, that's a wall. No, I wanted. I wasn't sure which way was.
Connie!
Great, Conrad's just fucking gone.
Connie, where the fuck are you?
Fuck, I missed getting to go in that other room.
Where is Conrad?
He must have gone on ahead.
Connie!
Shh, quiet.
I can shout if I want. Connie!
You suck, Julia. Holy
Where the
shit.
hell did he go?
Someone's watching us. I got a sledgehammer. Yeah, they are the worst. Back on the boat.
Shit.
Brad!
Shit. Fuck.
I get to be Brad.
All right, let's go. Buck up, you motherfucker. Come on. Come on! All right, buck up. Buck it up, B-boy.
Buck it up, Bucker boy!
Beat
Buck.
up,
Buck.
All right. Let's do this.
Brad rules, yeah.
Holy shit.
Brad and Fliss are the only characters I don't hate for one reason or another. Like, Alex isn't the worst, but he could be better. But Julie and Conrad are just fucking complete garbage. Which way do we go? I wonder if it told Wobbly that I was controlling Brad now. Okay, so this is where everyone... Julia? Or Fliss?
Hello? Who's there? This can't be good.
Oh, is that a dead end? Oh, there we go. I wasn't around the corner, apparently. Oh, I thought that was, like, Julia's flashlight. It's a bottle? Or a wire?
This is Julia's. They were
Oh,
here.
that's what she dropped
Okay.
when they went through the door.
They were here.
Where else would they have gone? I guess they could have dumped them overboard.
Nope.
Okay, so we gotta go. So that's cool, though. At least Brad knows that they're on the boat now. I don't like this view. It's like someone's watching us. Oh, we can keep going here. Oh god, do we have to go downstairs? Oh, another door. Okay. Oh, fuck. Oh, I can't go back there. Okay, I guess we're going upstairs. I don't like this music, it's creepy. Hey, Rejects, how you doing? Hello? Okay, I figured it would be locked, but it didn't hurt. Nope. Oh, that's okay. That's the only way to go. Yep.
happened here?
Oh my gosh. Oh, that skeleton's gonna scare me, huh? U.S. Central Infantry 14th Division. Okay. Cool. Well, I can go that way. But there's something at the end of this hall. How do I... Oh, the door's up here. Oh, it's another door. Fighting between crew started by Private Wagner, now in custody. Violence is spreading across crew. Please advise. Okay, I guess we gotta go through that door with all the bodies. Oh, we've been separated from Wobbly for so long. Don't mind me, and definitely don't get up, please.
Hello? Oh, hell.
Cool.
Great.
Cool.
Perfect.
Cool. Don't spook. Excuse me? Fuck. No. Jesus! What the fuck?
Fuck this place.
I'm with you, Brad. I'm with you. No. Keep going. Fuck off. Make us whole. We look. I close my eyes, but we look. Of course, it's fucking empty. It's gonna go jump scare. Oh no, not the blood toilet!
Give me a fucking...
I gotta tell Wobbly I found the blood toilet! Hold your breath. Is that Fliss? I thought it... I saw the A button prompts! Lower your light, dingus.